Hi there everyone, this is Tracy and welcome to Quick Crafts. Okay, so today we are going to talk about this fabulous little tool here. So this gives you a really lovely deckled edge on your card, which I'm going to just show you now. So all I've done is taken this little gadget. It has a blade, obviously it's protected. And then I've taken that blade along the edge and it gives this really lovely distressed look. And then I've put the gilding glue over the top and then used some of these metallic gilding flakes over the top. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side. Now you can see what we're going to do. And I'm going to grab a piece of card here and just show you how easy it is. So again, I've got the blade here and all I'm going to do is just run that along the edge. And you can see all the fibres and how they come off. It almost sort of shreds the edge there and you can see how much is coming off. So I'm just going to work my way around the edge. All the way around. And I mean, you could do this on a card before you decorate it, or you can do it after. It's entirely up to you. Okay. And you can do it as much or as little as you want, depends on how deckled the edge that you want. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And then taking the graphite, this is our elements, I'm going to use a smoothie and I'm going to go around the edge. And you can see how distressed that edge now looks. It's really picked up that detail once I've gone over it with the ink. And just work your way around. Now I've used the graphite, but you can use any colour that you like. Use this darker colour simply because I think the gilding flakes will stand out more against a darker colour. So you can see the difference that's made already. Isn't that great? Okay, next up we've got our gilding glue here and I'm going to pop a little down on the mat and I'm just using my finger on this occasion and I'm going to go along the edge. If you don't want to use your finger, just use a brush, but just remember to wash your brush when you've finished. I'm going to heat this up now. Okay, so now it's clear. Okay, it's tacky, and that's just a good way to test it. It becomes really sticky. So while it's still blue, it's not ready. Wait till it's clear. That's why I used a heat gun. Either that or you can let it dry naturally, but it will stay tacky until you put something on it. And we're going to use the metallic gilding flakes. So picking those up, I'm just going to run that along the edge. And literally just rubbing those flakes in to where the gilding glue is. Now it's not a completely even coverage and I don't want an even coverage because I want it to look a little bit more rustic, a bit distressed. Okay. So I'm just using my fingers now just to take any excess off, but you can use a brush. And there we have it. Look at that edge. It just adds a little something extra to your card, don't you think? Okay guys, that's it for today. If there's anything at all that you might like to see me do, then please comment below and I'll do everything I can to help you. You take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.